Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine and studying through the online classes. So, today, children, in English language, I will be explaining a new chapter, that is the sentences. I hope, children, you all have already done it in the previous class. But, children, let's see it once more. So, let's today see what is a sentence. First, let us understand it through the example. Some words are given here. See it carefully, children. Little, Jack, honor, sat in a corner. Now, children, let's understand this, that when we speak or write, we use words. We generally use these words in groups. So, the definition of sentence is that a group of words which make complete sense is called a sentence. That means what? In the above example, what we have seen, children, we have seen that all the words are arranged separately. It is not arranged in together. So, a group of words which will be arranged together and which will create a sense, that group of words is called a sentence. Example, like the above example where only the words are given, but when these words are arranged and when it creates a sense, it will be known as a sentence. Like, if we arrange it, then it will become as Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. Therefore, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with full stop. So today we will learn more of sentences and its kinds. So children, sentences are of 4 kinds. So what are they, children? Let's see. Number 1, assertive sentence or declarative sentence. So what is an assertive sentence? A sentence which makes statement or assertion is called an assertive sentence. For example, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So here the sentence creates a statement. Therefore, it is called a declarative sentence or an assertive sentence. The next is interrogative sentences. Those sentences which ask question as, what is your name? So in this sentence, what we have seen that question mark is added and the sentence is asking some question. Therefore, it is called as an interrogative sentences. Now the next kind is imperative sentence. So what is an imperative sentence? A sentence that expresses a command or request are called as an imperative sentence. For example, be quiet. So in this sentence, what we have seen, someone is giving the order to be quiet. Therefore, it is called an imperative sentence. Now, the 4th kind is an exclamatory sentences. So, what is an exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses strong feeling is called as an exclamatory sentence. So, if I say, for example, what a beautiful sight this is, or if I say, what a shame. So, what we have seen that exclamation mark is being added at the end of the sentence, which shows that it is an exclamatory sentence as it expresses some feelings. So, this is called an exclamatory sentence. So, children, these are the 4 major kinds of sentence. So, I hope, children, you all have understood it nicely through the examples. So, children, till then, be safe and keep on learning.